All right, everybody, we got some mail. Let's see what we got today. This is from Cigar page, not sponsored. Some Kentucky cured flying pig. Come on. I guess if you use the right end, it'll cut, huh? Whoa. That's cool. Some flying pigs. Kentucky cured. Some Kentucky tobacco. Actually, let's take one of these out and see what they look like. Looks like a turd in cellophane. Look at that. Looks like a turd. Actually, we'll leave one of those out. Alright, so there's that one. And now we got this one. Oliva 135 Anniversary O Series V. Pretty box, huh? Huh? What? No, it's called Series V. She's trying to tell me V means 5 in Spanish, but us cigar smokers know this is Series V. Usually she's right. Ooh, look at that. What a presentation. Huh? Isn't that pretty? That's really pretty. All right, well, that's today's mail. This one is also from Cigar Page, not sponsored. Anyway, until I see you guys in the truck or out front smoking a stogie. I almost said cigarette. I don't smoke cigarettes. Or on the next mail call, which don't know if there's anything else coming for a while or not, but we shall see. Keep smoking your stogies. Choose different things. Try different things. and I'll see you guys on the next one.